Yo, what's up my people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm trying to prepare chicken in an African way. Yeah, so these are my ingredients. I used the green pepper, I used tomato and an onion and Reiko. Yeah, this is Reiko. So yeah, as you see, the progress is just right there. Woo! My chicken is right here. Yeah, it's right here. So I'm trying to make out something which is unique. Yeah. So, oh, wait, my chicken is not cut. Oh my God, I have to cut it. Oh, no way. So I have to first cut my chicken into pieces. I need to first get a chopping board. Yeah, it's so good, guys. Here we go, here we go. Do I still have some here? Yeah, beef. So hard. I thought it was cut. Yeah? Okay. Yeah? Wow. Let's wait. I have to open here for the fresh air to come in. Here we go, here we go. Woo, this is so awesome. I'm almost. Yeah, I'm done. So I'm going to first put this off, and then I bring my chicken. I first boil it. Yeah. So it's boiling, it's boiling right now. Those are my ingredients. Yeah, and I'm going to cook posho as food. Yeah, I think some of you know posho. I think it has begun to boil. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm still cooking. It's just great out here. These are banana. In African way, it's called indies. It's hot inside. Guys, I'm so happy. Thank you for subscribing, for viewing. Yeah, that's my home, my community. I love this painting. Mr. Lion, Mr. Zuba, Lion King. Oh, I think it's ready now. Let me check. Oh. Ooh. Okay, I think that's enough, so I have to put back my ingredients. Wow, look at this soup. Yo. So I'm going to put in my ingredient, but before this I will first put chicken inside here. Yeah, so I'll first put this here, and whoa. So as you see, this is only soup now. Now mixing. Ooh, yeah, nice. I'm so proud of myself. Yes, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for keeping up with me. Yeah, it's so cool. I'm really tired. It has been a whoa. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for viewing. Thank you so much.